Oh, sorry guys. Hello, good morning. I just had to change some of my lights here. Let's see how the market opens up. Welcome, Akram. Seems like since the London session we're pretty much well, we were just ranging. If we go to the 5-minute, I still think that there is some buy side liquidity up there. Wet milled. Hey, good to see you again. Getting more handsome, I know, day by day. Getting more sharp. No, actually, I know it's a little bit dark here, but I had to close the shaders. Outside is more than 100 degrees Fahrenheit, so super hot. Jack is here. Hey there, big dog. Yeah. So I was thinking that we still have some buy side liquidity up there, but we could be just, sweeping liquidity at these levels. I guess market open will tell us. And we swept some liquidity already. Down at 47, we talked about this during the London stream, and it did go there. So all these levels are taken out. There is a 15-minute fair value gap here that has been taken right now. So who knows? We might see a possible position. Can I pass some works down? Yeah, you can. You can, Akram. But the thing is, there's a 5 minimum trading days, so you gotta make sure that you push the button for 4 more days. So, by the way, Apex, although it's now at 71%, it still has the 1-day pass option. Just saying, Apex is still a 1-day pass if you guys want to go with it. But with Bulenox, you have to push it for 5 days, but there's no consistency rule on the evaluation account. So yeah, you can pass it in 1 trade if you want to. Absolutely you can. Just make sure to push the button for 4 more days and you should be fine. Perfectly fine. All right, market is almost open. Almost open. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, and here's the market open right now. Are we gonna see some displacement to the upside to go for that 5-minute level, which is at 42? I think it can go. I mean, it took liquidity here. Be careful, guys. I think we have that FOMC member speaking today. He started already, I think. So this is the 1-minute chart, just to see how it goes. But nothing special. Pretty much just hovering at the same position. All right. Could go down to 78. Look at that. Okay, nothing special. Yep. Checking on ES2. Nothing extraordinary happening here. Let me measure the risk. Okay. Nothing for now. No, it wants to take out 77 or 78. It is close. Okay, alright. Be calm. It's very close to 76. Gotta be patient and wait for a structure shift maybe. If it wants to go higher. If not, then obviously I would go for the 63s maybe. Yeah, down there. But I do like the idea that it could be going up. If you look to the left, well, bullish order block on the 5-minute. That makes the sell side liquidity at 63. Yeah. That's a possible sell side liquidity. But if it wants to go higher, then obviously we can go. All right. Let me know what you guys think. Or are you guys in a trade or looking for something? For now, it looks like it's better to stay on the sidelines. Still hovering at the opening price. No clear direction. $63. Yeah, let's put a line here. Okay. So it breaks 63 or goes up to 42. I mean 642. How can you mark with perfection the sell side? It's simple. You have this tool on your left, which is the strong magnet or weak magnet, whatever you want on TradingView. And if you put a line, it's going to magnify it to the highs and lows or the wicks, whichever you prefer. So yeah, that's simple. Simple trick. Look at this. Seems like they want to push it to 63. Don't forget it that 63 is also the bottom of a order block. For now, there's no clear direction. Yeah, 67 could be next. But I'm not jumping in. But it feels like it wants to drop. Yeah. Are we gonna go for the 67 or what is happening here? It did. It did go for it. Was a little bit skeptical here. For a brief second, there you go. 63 has been taken, so that sell side liquidity has been taken. There is one more at 41. So here you go. 541.50 would be the next one. Let's see if there's going to be a reversal here or not. Is there going to be a reversal? Well, seems like it's going. Water falling down to 41.50. I'm not in a trade. I wish I would be. But it's taking out the order block. Yeah, right here. Actually, the low is 41.50. $41.50. I'm not saying it will go there. There's a gap above 74. I want to go for it. Yeah, repricing it right now. And there's a long wick here. Do we have any news? Yeah, nothing. Do we have earnings or something? Should be after the market closed. The last fair value gap is here above 74. Seems like that price may want to go lower, but I just don't trust the action right now. Swept the liquidity from these levels, and if it starts to make a new structure here, I might just enter a long position and going to target the 642s. So let me know if you guys have any other option here. I have no orders and no positions open. Waiting for a structure shift. 39. That's gonna be my level I'm looking for. 39. Yeah. That would be the level up there. No order block, no nothing. Small fair value gap could be an inversion that it might want to go higher above 13 here. Looks like that. Yep. Wants to take out the 13. All right. Could be an aggressive entry here. Might take long to target the 39. But I don't know yet. Yeah, I entered the long to go for that 39. It's a little bit aggressive, to be honest. But if it decides to go the other direction, then obviously it can go. Check the chart. I think it will go lower. Could be. Yeah, could be. I will check it on my left screen. Yeah, could be the case. So, gotta be careful. Yeah, I think I could be offside here on this one. I have to be ready to close down this trade if I have to. Yeah, it might be repricing lower. Yep, unfortunately. I think it will. I think it will. It's just gonna reprice lower. No worries. If it goes, then it should be going for that 41.50. Yeah, it feels heavy. It's definitely heavy. Let's wait for it, guys and gals. Well, the vehicle highs up there, but I don't think it's gonna be enough for price to go higher. At least not yet. Well, maybe, I don't know. $38.25 should be a good level, but I'm not sure about that for now. All right. Hey, Mohammed, what's going on? Feels like it could be heavy any second. Yeah. It's having a hard time to push. All right. Is it gonna go or not? That's the question. Not a good risk to reward ratio. I know that. I'm perfectly aware of that. We still have time until the 10 a.m. silver bullet hour, but where is the draw on liquidity? We might ask. All right, took one off. I had to. This is just a funded account, so that's why I needed to. Trying to reduce the risk, because this trade is definitely not something that I like so much. Should be poking into 25-ish liquidity. If it does, I'm just gonna put it to break even. You're shorting? Oh, 542. Oh, well, that happens, unfortunately, Mohammed. Oh. I'm sorry to hear that. Well, it's I don't know. This price action is definitely a little bit weird. I've put it to break even, so almost out. Yeah, I'm out. All right, I'm out from this position. Interesting, I don't have any orders. I don't have any positions, but I always have to double check. I always have to double check the accounts, guys, because you never know. You never know. I always go over every account. Bit of a slow start, but at least it's in profit. Yeah, every account is in profit. All right, that's good. Every account is back to profit. Interesting price action, to say the least. But I did copy trade in between my accounts, and eventually it turned out okay, but I still feel like that 39 is in place here. But the way this thing looks like, I don't really like it. Should be going for that 42. Yeah, I have no trade here. Now it's going down again. Look at the 15-minute candle. Look at this long wick here. Right around sell side. Above the 500. Looks interesting. Could be a sideways action day. It's chopping around and going sideways. You know, if it shifts lower, it might be a good, could be a good option to take a short. So we could be taking out this order block, because to the left here, this is an order block, a 5-minute bullish order block. So we could take that out. And don't forget that we still have the new week opening gap right there. And look at that. We almost have the shift. 83, yeah. This could be interesting. Let's see if it's gonna close below 85. We need 10 points. 10 points needed. All right, we might have the close. Jumped in. Two micros. Maybe it was a little bit too much. But at least it closed lower. Yeah, I jumped in with a little bit too much here. Am I gonna have to close a position if it goes lower a little bit? If not, then obviously this was a fake move. Seems like it was. Damn it. All right. Bearish order block. Stop is above the order block. Yeah, it wants to take me out. Damn it. That's it for the profits for today. Yeah, it could be 950 reversal. Might be happening. Might be happening. I mean, it was looking good to go and you know, check that sell side. But yeah, it seems like it could be just a liquidity sweep. Unfortunate. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Maybe I'm gonna lower my risk by trying to maybe sell a micro here around break even. We'll see. We have the new hourly candle soon. Let's see. Let's see. Less than 1 minute. Oh, I don't like to move. All right, sold one. I had to. And let me modify. $45. Yeah. That's gonna be it. Yeah, we have the new hourly candle right now. I think I did good to sell a portion there. But if it goes down, it's fine. If it goes down, actually should be great to see the 541. So I might gonna change it to 41.50. What's the sell side here? 42. Oh, it doesn't look good. Now it's back up there. Now it's back up there. The 5-minute chart actually looks a little bit barcoded right now. So that makes it a little bit more difficult to decide what the market wants to do. No structure shift for now, but you know, if it turns around, I might even jump into a scalp to the 639s. Yeah, could be consolidation. I don't know. It's not over. Reducing my risk. Actually closing it down. I had to close it, guys. I just didn't feel like it. So I'm flat. canceling all orders, and no positions. It might go down, it might not. I just don't feel like I want to be in this market right now, so I closed it. I think I can say that I exited somewhat around break even, but yeah, it was better for me to get out of the trade. Yeah, I just didn't feel like it, so I had to exit. I'm still in profit with the funded accounts. Oh yeah, you guys didn't see that. For example, not this account. This is a funded 2. This is a funded 2. This is a funded 2. So I'm in like $60 profit or something like that. But I just had to close it. Yeah, it's targeting the sell side liquidity. It's definitely. Maybe I was a little bit too impatient here, but it's fine. I'm still going to be aiming for that level, which is about 39 and technically at 42. But honestly, I don't like it here at this area. So I decided to close it. I just had to close it, guys. All right. Okay. Yeah, I don't like either. I mean, this price section is something I don't really like currently. Covered the loss. There you go. There you go. Yeah, needed to because this whole action was a little bit crazy. I really don't like this. Even on the 5-minute, look at this. The 5-minute. I mean, after the 9:30 open, we're basically back to where we were. So I just don't like this price action. And it might be shifting higher right now. Look at this go. Yeah, it looks like that this area is holding as possible support. Bob, hey there. Right about doing this because it's trying to make a new point of control of the month. Way up where it is. Oh, could be. And it's almost doing it. Could be. Could be. It's reacting to the fair value gap. Yeah, it could be a nice reaction here. And ultimate target would be 42. So I'm actually considering to enter long. All right. Enter the long position. A little bit prematurely, but I did. And my target would be at 42. Actually, I'm gonna put my target to 39. And let me show you guys my entry. I'm gonna move my stop. Trying to go for that 39 again. I might even add one more micro to it. I haven't decided yet. I would really like to see this pop the highs up there at 39. Entered at 82. Oh, nice entry. My entry is way worse than that. But the target is still up there, so I'm not changing my target. I would say the drawn liquidity could be still up there, you know. So if it goes, it's great. If not, then that is what it is. I'm gonna put it to break even now. Let me put it to 39. Okay. Let's see if it wants to go there or not. That's it. That's all I can do. Yeah, there's a 1 minute fair value gap there. That's what concerns me a little bit, but I thought that this is going to be a quick run, but it's not. It's just not doing it. Gotta be patient. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Might not be the best time to force the trade. Damn it. Yeah. Quite a few orders here. Copy trading this. But I'm looking to close it. Actually, why? If it hits the stop loss, it's fine. Yeah, it could be. It could be, Mohammed. It could be. I mean, anything can happen from this point on. Hmm. Yeah, it is what it is. I tried. I tried, guys. I really tried. It's just not going. Sweeping liquidity here. I would be tempted to jump in again. I don't know. I don't know, man. I feel like if it goes down to 96, then maybe, but now that it's taken me out, I think it's just, it will go now. Yeah, there you go. What a dirty move. Takes me out and then goes to the target, right? Wish one day I get funded like you, Tom. Don't say like that. Why wouldn't you be funded? Come on, man. Don't say it like that, man. If you are not funded yet, you will be. That's a fact. That's a scientific fact. That is gonna happen. So have to manage the trades properly, the risk, and we're in it for the long run. You know, let's see what it does now. Back to this gap. Look at the 5-minute, really. It's absolutely untradeable on the 5-minute chart. Look at this. Is this really something to be trading inside of? I mean, this is just absolutely nuts. A little bit tempted to go long, by the way. But on the other hand, I don't trust this move because, yeah, look at that. It could just melt down. Nobody knows where it wants to go now. I'm not taking a position in this crap. I'm sorry. Excuse me for my English here. Right now, there is no logic. Yeah, absolutely no logic, guys. In this market right now, don't find any logic. This is absolutely unusual movement right now. Jung is here. F bear, F bull price action, maybe target smaller profit. Yeah, should be aiming for smaller profit could be the way to go today. Guys, this is just sideways. This is, you know, this is exactly where you gonna get yourself chopped up in this price action. So don't force it. I mean, we had some possible setups here, but you know, there's nothing really that I like here. It looks like it might want to take out that 41-ish area. Look at that. Look at that. Almost took it out. This here is typically the move that you, I mean, it's not really possible to catch this. So better to stay offside and watch what happens. $5.25 is still there, which is a London low. Look at that. It's gonna go for 41. And there you go. 41. Without any retracement, and the final target here would be 25. I'm not jumping in. I'm not taking it. No way I am not gonna take this. There's nothing here that I like. Absolutely nothing that I like here. I'm switching in between the 5 and the 1 minute here for you guys. But no. Nothing that I like here. I'm not gonna force it here. I'm just wait. I'm just gonna wait. Wait patiently. That's what you can do. No structure shift. Here in discount. The movement to the upside was the liquidity sweep. There is fair value gap at 625, 628. Where? Oh, I see. Well, yeah, there was a sweep there with that wick. That's true. But look at this now. I don't know. Maybe, yeah, I mean, follow your plan, follow your own analysis. That's always the best, you know. Just market makers play with our feelings. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that one, 921. So, you know, always trust your analysis. It could be wrong, it could be right, but in order to play out your own edge, it's always better to stick to your analysis and trade your analysis. Look at this, man. Now it could be going higher. I still like the 639 level. Not a clean structure shift. So I'm not jumping in. I'm not jumping in this one. Okay, look at that, rallying higher. We are going higher. J-Man, hey. 547, which it did earlier. Hold on, where was it? Oops, sorry. In the London session, we talked about that. It did. In London. Here. Although I might set it that we're gonna visit again, 47. But I'm just looking for the 39. 639 right now. Up there. The 639 would be a good level. Look at that. It's just gonna go up. It's going to reprice every. I mean, it should be taking out that level. Still no structure shift, and that's why this is a little bit weird. Feels like we're gonna visit the 600 again, but without any major pullback right now. First gap would be at 80. Are we gonna go? Okay, now this is a point. If someone is super aggressive, you can enter, but it's not an A+ setup. So, but if you want to go for it, like I do, okay. So I took the trade on a different account, which was this one. All right. This. My take profit level should be at 38. And there you go. Trying to look for that area. And after this candle, I might just move my stop a little bit. Yeah. Moving my stop. Oh, sorry. Wrong stop. All right. It might go since there was a liquidity. Yeah, it was a sweep. Is this gonna be enough? Who knows? I still like the idea up there to go for the 38, 39-ish levels. So okay, I've put this to break even. We'll see if it goes. Maybe I should take some partials here, right? At 24. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, one partial there. And the final would be up there. Let's see. I'm back over here after watching a female trade burp like a male. Oh my god, what happened there? Online safety. Anyway. Year-to-date loss limit. Oh, you're done till tomorrow. Well, it happens. It's a difficult session right now. It's basically we're just chopping up ourselves here. So it's a chop city right now. Absolutely chop city. Totally chop city. I'm looking to take that high. As I said, I'm gonna take partial here. If it goes up there, of course. Malo Legacy, good morning. Hey, what's going on, Malo? Good to see you. What's happening? Parminder is here. Welcome. Hi. Hey guys, how was your day? Camper Trades. She's a good stream, but also has mother of women bad manners. Oh, I see. All right. Oh, you blew 3 MyFundedFutures. Oh. Sorry to hear that, Farhad. What happened? Oversizing, overtrading. Sorry to hear that, man. But hey, it will be better. Just don't give up, all right, Farhad? Just don't give up. As Rocky Balboa said, it doesn't matter how hard you can hit. The only thing that matters is how many times can you get back up, or something like that. That's how winning is done, you know. All right, I'm gonna move my stop to break even here. So it's done. At least I took a partial there. Maybe I should maybe I'm gonna trail it. How about that? Lock in some profit at least. Whoa! Ange Blue JP7. Oh, sorry, Ange Blue JP7. Anyway, sorry I butchered the name there. Welcome to the stream, and welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. All right. Day 2 max daily loss. It happens, dude. It happens. It will happen again, but you have to be prepared for it. You know, next time you'll be ready. You know. Even if you take a daily loss limit next time, it's not even going to scratch you a little bit because you're just going to move on to the next one. That's how simple it will be. Exactly. You will do much better next time. You will do much better. By the way, if you checked on the 15-minute chart, there's a long wick candle. I think it's waiting to get repriced, to be honest. So I think there's a high chance that we can even go back down to the mid-level of the 15-minute candle, which is in the 60s, 65, 66, whatever. 565, 66, that is. So we can go down quite a lot. You could be just trading in this inside range. Quite exhausting, to be honest. Let's go. By the way, guys, don't forget it. Today is the last day for the 90% Bulenox sale. If you guys want to grab some accounts from tomorrow, it's going to be 83% or 75, something like that. So grab it while you can, or if you would like to. I know a very good code for it. But yeah, just make sure if you guys want to stack up a few accounts. Yeah, this one's gonna take me out, it's fine. But if not, that's fine too. Let's go. Holding one micro, force 41. All right, let's go, let's go. Well, yeah, I'm holding this one still, but I feel like it could be just sweeping more liquidity down there. So it's a big if. I think it's gonna take me out, take some internal liquidity, and then eventually I think we should be visiting that 38 to 42-ish area. That's what I think. But first I'm gonna get taken. Sorry. Yeah, it seems like it wants to. I'm telling you, it's super difficult to trade in this environment. So, gotta take what the market gives. You know, anything that the market gives, I'll take it. Do I have any orders? No. No orders. I can propose. So my daily loss was cushioned. Oh, that's a good thing now. Yes, yeah. Hey, I was in a long position to go for these levels up there, and unfortunately, I got taken out. But it's all right because I moved my stop to lock in some profit there. I think it still can go higher, but if you look at the 15-minute chart. Excuse me, I was sneezing. I think this one can easily go lower. Look at the 15. This long pin bar here. It could be going back down to the midway and reprice it. 1 to 5 minute, I'm switching in between. My entry is based on the 1 minute, of course, but I'm watching levels on the 5 and the 15-minute chart. So you can always see which time frame I'm on. If you look here to the bottom right corner, it says 1 minute time frame. But if I switch, then it's also showing 5 minute time frame. So it's easier for you to follow. Yeah, so it's a little bit online safety is bullish. Me too. I'm bullish too. I'm gonna see price returning to 642s. That would be my ultimate goal. Is it gonna do it? I'm not sure. I mean, look at that. We might just gonna drop again. I'm telling you that we need a clean displacement if we want to take a short. It swept some liquidity, but this is not something I like. It's like we're just going for internal. What is going on? Oh my god, J-Man. J-Man, welcome to the Winners Club. Let me give you an applause as well. J-Man, thank you for joining. Welcome to the Winners Club. Exclusive member content is gonna come up because I already have 2 new videos for members, so stay tuned as a member. Welcome, J-Man, to the Winners Club. Appreciate your support. Members Club is also for supporting the stream and the channel, and I will tend to upload some materials there as well, only for members. Thank you for joining. All right. Let's go. Yeah, looks like we're going. $6.17. It's not enough for a shift here. It's just going sideways. It's the least I can do for all the work. Oh, hey, Jay, man, you don't have to say this. This is my full-time job, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much. It will go up for sure. It will go down for sure. Sorry, yeah. So, Jay, man, I really appreciate it. You know, if you guys just using my codes and links, if you anytime would like to purchase an evaluation account, that's also supporting. And thank you so much again for joining the channel. The technical reason is that we are all looking for the long. Oh, I see. All right. Market makers are watching, right? Market makers are definitely watching. Yeah. Yeah, they are. Look at this. We're technically unplugged. That's the thing, technically. And the kill zone is going to end at 11 a.m. Right there. So, what are we going to do? What are we going to do about it? I feel like maybe this was the AM session move. I don't know. All right. Still waiting. Gotta be patient, guys. This is the waiting game. Looks like VWAP consolidation could be. The thing is, I'm still attached to that level up at 42. So I really want this to go there, to be fair. So who knows what's gonna happen. Okay, the high of this candle is 17.25. Close is 17.25. So maybe this will be it. The move to 38. I'm tempted to scalp it, to be honest. I'm tempted to scalp it, but I'm not going to, because I don't know. I don't know. A little bit scared. Especially because of that long 15-minute candle. So no, I'm not jumping in. I am not jumping in. I'm just gonna wait. Let's look at the 5-minute again. Looks terrible. Looks terrible. Not something I like. This is not something I like. Still in 1 micro. Let's go. The thing is, I just don't know if I should do anything in this consolidation. Clearly, there's not enough volume in the market. So this is absolutely not the best conditions to trade. We need some kind of targets. Do we have some news tomorrow, by the way? Tomorrow we have Canadian CPI. That's not important. Nothing major. Wednesday is going to be FOMC. All right. $38. I don't know why I'm attached to that. Capital is big for 641. Yeah, me too. I'm attached to that. That 48. Sorry, yeah. Same level I like, to be honest. And I'm really tempted to scalp it, but you know, should be taken out. There you go. Into the 30s. Yeah, it should go. There you go. 38 taken out. And there you go. There you go, guys. This is it. This is it. This level, we were talking about this. I mean, I was not in a trade, but this is exactly that we were waiting for. This was the level that we were waiting for. We were talking about this freaking level since the whole London session. Whole day. And finally, it got there. Boom. And you know, right before the kill zone is over, I mean, from here on, I don't even know what levels should we look for. I mean, of course we have a fair value gap at 54, but the thing is that the kill zone is getting over. Both shorts and long plans are working. I just entered it too early for both of it. Yeah, absolutely, Muhammad, absolutely. And you know, if you had your entry levels, if anyone traded this long, I didn't, so I do feel a little bit of a FOMO, but at least I feel some moral victory because we were talking about so much, I mean this level so much, that it's a good thing that finally it has been taken. So I'm happy about that. I'm happy about that. One level that I could have entered, coulda, shoulda, woulda, doesn't really matter anymore. I mean multiple entries here in this area or in this area. So yeah, could have entered, coulda, woulda, shoulda. This is it. I missed my opportunity because I was scared. Actually, I didn't want to give back profits to the market, so why shouldn't I? Or why should I? Buy the pullbacks. Absolutely right, online safety. So guys, with that being said, I don't see any other reasons to take any more trades because this was my plan for the day. This is what I was looking for. I don't see anything else, and the kill zone is actually over. So I don't like to stay in the market after the kill zone. PM session kill zone is after 1 p.m. and I don't like to trade the lunch hour because all kind of crazy stuff going on. Asia high is at 688, so it looks like it could go there. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. 688. But it was, I think it was enough, you know, enough action for everyone. You guys are welcome. Yashiach and everyone, you're welcome. Thank you so much for joining. I'll be back tomorrow, as usually, on the London session. But be careful, you know, don't give back profits if you have some. And this session was a little bit of a chop city. So thank you again for watching. If you would like to support the stream, please use my codes. Today is the last day for Bulenox, 90% off. So go grab it with tomsabo code. The code tomsabo, and take profit trader Apex 1 day pass, by the way. It's back to 71% 1 day pass. And anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. I'll be here in London. All right, take care, love you all. See you tomorrow. Cheers everybody. Sure. Yes, yeah, let me know. I'll come back for you. For one last question. One last question. Let me know. Yes, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Crypto Panda, I was just saying goodbye to everyone, and Crypto Panda just drops in. Hey, Crypto Panda, what's going on? I'm just waiting for Yasia's question. Yesterday, you said MyFundedFutures was 76. Yeah, it still is. The starter account is $76. 50K starter account. Yeah. If you use the code, if you use the discount code, you can use mine or anyone else's. It's $76 exactly. There you go. Oh, Streamlabs just spammed it. Woke up late. All right, Crypto Panda. Oh, no problem. Yasia, you're welcome. Thank you so much again. See you tomorrow. Cheers, everybody. See you later, Crypto Panda. You too.